because they want to retain their users, we address that problem in three ways. There's the no algorithm, just geo search or location based searching. Then we'll have opt-in searches where we'll actually give you an understanding of what the algorithm is doing and how it's choosing to match people. And then the third reason that we can reinforce this, that we're not matching or failing to match people because we want to retain users, is we actually want you to find a match, because we have 3 other relationship apps that we actually want to funnel you into. Greetings, I'm Jonathan Ankowitz. I'm the founder of Start With Me, a company aimed at bettering love relationships by concentrating on the only thing we actually have control over: ourselves. So our first product in the roadmap is Start With Me, a dating application. And I wanted to discuss and share with people why we are not using any algorithms to match people. So as I've done a lot of research to build this app and go through and flush it all out, there's a lot of theories that dating apps don't choose to match people very well because they want people to return. I've been on dating apps for a while myself. I understand that concept. I understand where that theory can come from. But this is why Start With Me is taking the approach we're taking. We're not going to use algorithms to match people. We're going to allow you to search for people according to geolocation, so distance that you're willing to drive to meet somebody for a date, and then give you the ability to filter people on all your attributes in your profile and stuff, so that you can find people who are in the spectrum of your flavor. Now, that doesn't mean we won't use algorithms in the future. What our plan is we're actually going to do an opt-in process in the future, that we're actually going to have our internal psychologist team build algorithms, and we're going to give you an understanding of what the algorithm does, what the theory behind it is, like connecting people on, like cat hobbies, right? Something ridiculous. Like personality types, all these different variations, but we'll go and we'll test these algorithms and we'll give you the option to opt into them. You'll opt into them, get your matches. We'll give you a perfect match. We'll give you the complete opposite of the match, but we'll have these like fun little game style matching things where you can go and match people in different algorithm structures, and you'll have the ability to opt into it. But by default, Start With Me's matching is just generally like, how far are you willing to drive for a date? That's it. So in order for Start With Me to address the problem and concern that people have with dating apps not matching people accordingly because they want to retain their users, we address that problem in three ways. There's the no algorithm, just geo search or location based searching. Then we'll have opt-in searches where we'll actually give you an understanding of what the algorithm is doing and how it's choosing to match people. And then the third reason that we can reinforce this, that we're not matching or failing to match people because we want to retain users, is we actually want you to find a match, because we have 3 other relationship apps that we actually want to funnel you into. So after Start With Me, the dating app where you learn about yourself before you're allowed to enter the dating pool, then once you find your partner, you'll move over to Start With Us, a relationship app where you and your partner learn about each other's foundations, learn how each other's foundations work best together, and then you go on a relationship journey of learning how to build desire in love and how to build a deeper and understanding connection as you learn to grow together. We'll have all sorts of events, products, podcast. We plan on bringing in a lot of psychologists. We're going to have an internal psychology team who's building out this content so that we can build stuff that's relevant to building healthier relationships. And our intent is to get this stuff out in front of people. But this will help negate the issue that anyone has concerns that we're doing a poor job matching because we want to retain users. So I'm hoping this will solve that problem. And I'm hoping the opt-in algorithm matching will actually be really fun, right? Because with image recognition, we could do all sorts of nerdy things that would be a lot of fun for people like data scientists who like numbers and weird connections and stuff, right? Like maybe if everyone matches on ear size. I don't know what the perspective. I'm just coming up with random spitballing ideas, but we're going to have a lot of smart people coming up with these things and we'll test them out and we'll see how they land. Who knows? Maybe in 10 years, the best way that people match is by the way their cats like to spend time together. So that is why Start With Me is not going to use any matching algorithms. And we hope you're cool with it. We look forward to seeing you in the dating app. Later, guys.